Hello again, everybody. This is Steve, and this is a follow-up to my screen porch video that I did. Someone asked about the screen door and why when they plop it into their screen wall, there's an opening at the top and no screen. And that is a problem, and I kind of skipped over that in the video, so I thought I'd make this video to show you. Now, this door I've created here does have a screen at the top, has this 2x4 here, and the door. If you look at that, even in vector view, you'll see there is screen, and you see the frame and all. So you would think it would plop into the screen that way, but it doesn't. So when you look at the screen porch here, if you take a regular screen door and you plop it in, you can see there's an opening. There's no screen there. So I found a way around that, and I've been doing it, and that's why you didn't see the problem there. But so if we take this door that I've created here and we turn it into a symbol, tools, symbol, convert to symbol, convert it to a door, and we'll name it screen door test 1. Rotate it on its x-axis, and then put a stretch plane near the top. I'm going to say 86 inches. So just this panel moves and the door doesn't change. The door is drawn at 80 inches tall, which is standard, and you want to leave it that way. And we hit OK and send it to the library. Now we have our screen door test 1. And we go over here to our screen porch. You would think it would put the screen panel there. You'd be wrong. It doesn't, because the default for doors, exterior doors, is what controls the height of this door. And it's set at 80 inches, so this door came in at 80 inches, and the screen on top of it is considered part of the door. But if you click the door, it looks like a normal 80-inch door, but if you grab this right here and you stretch it up, the screen comes up because that's where you set the stretch plane. So now you've got this door with the screen, and what I found is if you just save that door right there to the library, screen door test 1 fixed, say. Now you take that door and you plop it in, it comes in at the right height with the screen panel above. So your original door, test 1, still comes in with a hole. But your new door that you saved after you fixed it, after you dragged it, comes in this case, roughly 98 inches tall with the screen panel showing on the top. So I hope I didn't go too fast on that. If you have a question, feel free to ask away, and I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. See ya.